no, i-deactivate yung license niya. So kung iba nakikita nyo, Windows is activation, dito may watermark, dito WinI settings natin, meron siyang Windows is not activated. So hindi tayo makakapagpalit ng background kapag may ganyang words na Windows is activated. Sorry guys, hindi ko may lapit. So anong gagawin guys, meron tayo ditong activation. Ito yung KMS. Buksan natin kmsauto.net. So before kayo magbukas ng kmsauto.net, dapat naka-disable yung real-time protections. So panoorin nyo yung full video nito guys, at ituturo ko sa inyo sa YouTube ko. So ito na guys, activation. Click nyo activation, Windows, click nyo yung Windows, hintayin natin matapos yung running nya, and then boom, activated na. So ayan na guys, activated na, ayan na, complete na, tapos wala na yung watermark. So thank you guys, panoorin nyo yung full video.